I'm Captain Mike, treasure hunter, truth seeker, disaster survivor. I'm also a husband, a father, a pet owner, and a God-fearing American. I didn't get here by luck. I got here because just like Noah, I listened. When God said, get ready, I didn't ask questions. I bought the gear, I learned the skills, and I watched the signs. Some people say, I'm not worried. God will take care of me. But that's exactly why he gave you a brain and plenty of clues to what's coming up. You have no excuse not to get ready. Otherwise, you're playing ants in the grasshopper. Now I use what I've been given to dig, to warn, and to teach. From scorched earth to rising tides, from ghost towns to gold, I go where the spirit calls. From red dirt to river, from bunker to beach, I follow that voice and live life while there's still time. Not everyone is ready for this journey, but maybe, just maybe, you're supposed to be. So sit back and relax, and maybe you'll hear the cry too. And together we'll share a few adventures.